Elephant Rock, Iceland nature at its very best. Looks like an elephant is drinking water. An iron chain so rusted by sea salt that it looks like it's made of wood. Refrigerator doors are magnetic because kids used to get trapped inside them and suffocate. Before the Refrigerator Safety Act of 1956, doors could only be opened from the outside, and many children died because they found abandoned refrigerators and got stuck inside while playing hide and seek. There is a disease that takes away your ability to sleep. You sink into horrible psychosis and inevitably die over the course of a few months. There is no cure, there are no viable treatments. In Switzerland, you can be denied citizenship for being too annoying. During World War I, the Ottoman Empire was responsible for the mass murder of 1 million ethnic Armenians that lived in Anatolia and adjoining regions. This event was the basis on which the word genocide was created. The Armenian genocide is the second most studied genocide in history after the Holocaust. A principal once punished a mischievous student by sending him to the basement and making him read the US Constitution until he could recite it from memory. That student, Thurgood Marshall, eventually went on to become the first black Supreme Court justice. The mega mosquito. An Argentinian man posted this photo of a giant bug alongside a regular size mosquito. He found it inside his home. This man was a teacher for 40 years. At year 2 or 3, on picture day, he realized he'd worn the same outfit as the previous year, so he got the idea to continue to do so for his whole teaching career. Muhammad Ali attempting to lift 76-year-old former world bantamweight boxing champion, Johnny Collin. He had a famous trick where he put his finger on the lifter's neck and wrist, making himself unliftable. Two brothers from a set of triplets tricked prison authorities in Russia when one brother swapped places with the other to give him a brief taste of freedom. Rather than returning, the freed brother ran off with his brother's girlfriend. It took years for the authorities to realize they had actually been fooled. In 2012, a teen secretly lived in AOL's HQ for 2 months, eating free food, using gym and showers, sleeping in conference rooms while working on his startup. Everyone assumed he worked there. In response to her husband's infidelity, a woman from Prague decided to commit suicide by jumping from her third-story balcony. By chance, she happened to land on her spouse below, cushioning her fall. She survived, but he died. Armstrong in 1972, Neil Armstrong visited the town of Langhole, Scotland, in which he was read a 400-year-old law declaring any Armstrong found in the town should be hanged. Diarrhea was the leading cause of death in the American Civil War, and there was an unwritten code of honor among Civil War soldiers that forbade the shooting of men while attending to the imperative calls of nature. If you convince yourself that you slept well last night, even if you didn't, your brain will be tricked into thinking you aren't tired. It's called placebo sleep. Titanic survivor, Catherine Gilnag, who was 16 when the Titanic sunk, didn't realize the seriousness of the ship's situation until she reached New York. She thought that disembarking in lifeboats and being picked up by another ship was all part of the journey. Curing chocolate improves mental stability. Eating a moderate amount can actually reduce risk of insanity. In 1937, an explosion caused by a natural gas leak destroyed a school and killed over 295 students and teachers in New London, Texas. The incident was so bad that even Adolf Hitler sent a telegram to pay his respects. No one was held accountable for this incident, but it forced the state to introduce strict safety regulations, one of which was adding a strong odor to odorless natural gas to make it possible to detect leaks. The practice quickly spread worldwide. In 2010, Tokyo government officials went to congratulate the oldest man in the city on his 111th birthday, but instead found a skeleton on his bed. He'd been dead for 30 years, but his family were still taking in his pension money. In 2013, a Verizon programmer was found outsourcing his work to a Chinese company for less than 20% of his salary and spending his workday surfing the internet. The Chinese code was so good that the programmer was regarded as the best in his department of Verizon. Darwin's Arch, a famous natural rock formation in the Galapagos Islands that is popular with divers, photographers, and cruise ship tourists, has collapsed from erosion. In China, a scannable QR code was projected in the sky by drones and when scanned allowed people to download a video game. This is the future of advertising. Every November in South Korea, there is a day where everyone makes silence to help students concentrate for the most important exam of their lives. Planes are grounded, constructions are paused, banks close, and even military training ceases. This day is called Sunam. In Finland, the word kalsarikani means to get drunk at home, alone, in your underwear. Michael Orchard, a heroic man, broke into his neighbor's burning home and rescued their dog. He later found out that the house fire was actually not real but was just a hallucination from the LSD he was consuming. The average starting age for periods has come down from 17 years to 11 years now. The average banana contains 4 times the protein, 2 times the carbohydrates, 3 times the phosphorus, and 5 times the vitamin A and iron of the average apple. UFO sighting, Google Maps anomaly leaves alien expert astonished fleet of UFOs. A man who was once diagnosed with cancer was told he had 6 months to live. He went back to the doctor 10 years later to tell them that he was still alive only to find out that the doctors who diagnosed him were all dead. He lived up to 102 years old.